Greenwood Park in Tauranga is one of the largest of Metlifecare's retirement villages through New Zealand, and when it came time to give the village a refurbishment, we were very privileged to have part in this. So the project took place over about 2 years, and it just went through in stages till it's finished. Some of the key challenges on the Greenwood Park project were around health and safety. So you're dealing with a lot of old people, obviously, and up to 4-story high buildings. We controlled this issue, this hazard, with our regular site audits. That's all part of our ISO 45001 accreditation, and it went really, really well. Greenwood Park is a very unique village with thousands of square metres of cedar weatherboards, which threw up a lot of challenges. So previous attempts at recoating them had led to a lot of bubbling in the boards and the paintwork. So to achieve the best possible outcome, our team trialled a range of different preparation methods over 18 months leading up to the project, so that when the project actually started, we could be assured we'd get the best possible outcome and it would last for as long as possible. Quality control was also very important at Greenwood Park, such a large site. So in line with our ISO 9001 quality system, we had a quality assurance plan, and a key part of that was to get photographs at each stage of the project, and also at the end of the project to get it signed off by National Group, by the coating supplier, and thirdly by Metlifcare. Communication was very important on this project, working around elderly persons' homes, and sometimes we'd be communicating twice a day, so that's how important it was. We put a letter in the residents' letterbox prior to starting to keep them updated with when their unit, their house is going to be worked on, and the process must have worked because we even got given some nice warm scones by some of the residents. All in all, the project went very, very well. Metlifecare and the Greenwood Park team were very, very good to deal with, and the residents were also very good to deal with, so we were very pleased to be part of this project.